Hey everybody, I thought we would give you a little update here on how things have been going and all, and I want to introduce you to my wife.
Hi.
This is Carla, and we've been married 15 years as of just recently. June 4th was our wedding anniversary. We've been together about 17 years.
Yep.
So we've been together for a while, and we've been through quite a bit. Now, she's not going to stay out here very long. I'll stay a little bit longer because she's had 3 knee replacements and it's tough for her to stand, so I'll let you explain that.
Yeah, I've had 2 knee replacements on one side within a year and a half of each other, and then the other side I had more recently, and it doesn't allow me a lot of movement or standing hardly at all.
When we met, she had the
First 2
replacements done before we met, so we've had 1 since then, and it just hasn't helped a whole lot, and things have gotten worse and worse, and that's why you might see in some pictures she has to ride a mobility scooter all around. And luckily we're in a building that's 1 story. We had to look for one. It's rancher style, but this is a commercial building we live in. It's like a barn dominium, but it's zoned residential commercial. So we live in that side, we work in this side. Anyway, I'm not gonna make her stand very long because about 2 minutes is her limit, and then things just start aching too much. So I'm gonna let you go and I'll finish updating them.
Okay.
All right, thanks. Okay, so I figure we ought to give you guys a little video update since I do shoot YouTube videos. Anyway, I thought I would just give you a little more information about why this assistance that we're asking for is temporary. I do not like asking for help. All my life I've been able to solve my own problems by just working harder and smarter and getting more creative. I've done a little bit of everything. If I am struggling for money, I've gone out and pulled weeds. I've hauled loads in my pickup. I've pulled trailers. You know, I just get creative. If I need a little money to get by, that's what I do. But when I'm having all these health problems, and she's fully disabled like that, and we've had just the worst luck in the last few years, we've ended up having to use credit to pay bills. So that's a terrible way to do it, and I know it, but it's either that or we don't pay our bills and we may lose where we're at. Well, we're hitting the point where we just can't do that anymore. We maxed out all our credit and kept hoping things were going to turn around, but when I was constantly putting out fires because of that, I wasn't able to focus on the YouTube side of things, and I've got a lot going on. Once we get on top of our daily bills and our rent and all that, then I can focus on things like my Drywall Academy back there. I started that. I've got 1 course 90% done on there. I've got plans for many more though. Ultimately, my goal is to bring in other trades like plumbers and that, and we work together to build out courses on all of that too, so we can expand this greatly. This is just the beginning. But as a YouTube creator, I started this in December of 2015 because I knew I needed to get out of drywall before too long. You can't do this forever, and I wanted another source of income that didn't require me to be out there busting my butt all the time, because I did this for close to 40 years, and for the last 20 years I specialized in drywall repairs, and I got to be one of the best around. I can do it super fast, really well, leave a house clean, and I know how to treat people right, like showing up when you say you're going to. But this YouTube channel also evolved into other things like the Drywall Academy and the line of 3D printed products, and these are related to what I did because I painted and did drywall. But I also did a little bit of everything. I've done tile work and roofing, framing, windows, trim, all of that. I'm pretty diverse. My dad did that, so I kind of learned some from him and I learned some from myself. And I'm not trying to sell you anything, I'm just showing you that we have a lot of other potential once we get ahead of these bills that we've got. And I'm going to explain that a little bit more in a second, but I don't want this update to be too long. We put this on Amazon. We sent them 64 to test it out. They sold out in a day and a half, and it hit #1 in the paint roller category in that time. So it has huge potential. in the last year and a half, we've sold thousands of these, and we've barely been able to market it because of all the other things going on. So the point is, we have many products just in the 3D line, and I now have my best friend of 45 years just moved into town from 90 miles down the road. He's going to be helping me put out videos and edit videos. I think together we're going to really start growing this, but I can't do that until we totally get on top of our bills, because this last month we couldn't pay rent. We borrowed all we could from our credit and went towards it. We had to be about a week late this time, so it's getting worse and worse each time, but we are seeing a decent amount of support coming in, and it's starting to help. Now it takes a little while before they release the funds and it comes to us, so that's why it's only been a couple weeks. We started this, restarted this, and it is starting to help, but we're about halfway to our goal. But I mostly wanted to say thank you. If you've already helped us out, we really appreciate it, because every little bit helps. We appreciate all of it more than you know. But if you've been wondering if this is just, a way to get free money, because I know there's a lot of people that do that. No, I'm a hard worker. I work 7 days a week, literally. I almost never take a day off, and if I do, I take off 3 or 4 hours, and then I come back here and I go back to work, because I am determined to get us out from under this. But I can't do it when all I'm mostly focusing on is immediate money, because this kind of stuff takes 30 to 60 days to see the income start rolling in, so I can't really put much time into it, or the videos or the courses. That's all more long-term money. That's where we want to go, because that's where the huge income potential is. But this is putting out fire money. So any donations you guys make to our campaign is going to put those fires out and let me go back to working on the long-term money. I just thought I'd share that with you. I hope it clarifies some things, and I get emotional at the support that I see, because I see comments that I've touched so many of you, I've helped so many of you with your drywall skills. I've had people tell me that they have started a drywall career because of me. I didn't know that was possible. I try and do my best when I teach on YouTube, but I had no idea I was going to help so many people. My YouTube channel's had over 40 million views, so that's a lot of people that I've helped. I'm not saying I helped 40 million, but a lot of you I've helped, and it makes me feel really good inside. I'd like to see that be 10 times that. So thank you for your support, and if you ever come over to YouTube and watch a video or something, be sure and comment. Let me know. Maybe say that you saw this video or something. I like hearing from you.